Stand up the Vanguard.
Your turn.
You look at him? Vanguard. Who goes first?
Attacks.
I'll take that one.
Crit. Crit power.
Alright, I guess I go first.
Your turn.
And draw. Right. Your turn.
Alright. 14 ban.
No guard. Damage. Crit power.
Your turn.
11. Alright. Your guard. Alright. Go for it.
Ride.
And draw. Ride. Attack.
And
I will take that. Grab trigger. No trigger. No trigger. Alright, your turn.
actually, hold on. 9k on Van.
I'll take it.
Damage check. Power and draw one. Your turn.
14. 14.
Right.
Oh, yeah, they're over. Guard.
Cool. 16 on Van.
14 again. No guard. Right check. Draw trigger. Alright. Power. Damage trigger. Draw. Heal trigger. Effects. Advance. Alright. And go for it. And draw.
That makes it 1 to pass.
Call History Maker. Alright.
Power crit.
History Maker. I'll take
Damage check the first and the second.
Alright. Alright. For
9 on
Van.
Van.
Zimdar attacks the van.
Your turn.
Hey.
I was dancing
I
here.
don't know much. You kind of got me in kind of in bad
He's
time
in
the middle of
mid-ride.
a match.
I ride.
Yeah. Bye.
Then I'll stride.
Sorry about that. That was my friend Alexander. Alright. What you doing?
Surging Ripple.
Attacking for 15.
Prodomus.
I will take that. Grab trigger. Crit. All effects of van. Alright.
And I'll call.
All effects. Alright.
9 on rear.
Guard.
Draw.
13 on Van.
Right.
Power.
26 on Van.
I will activate her ability. Put her into the soul.
Triple drive. First.
Do
Second.
Celestial.
Power. Draw. And third.
Wait, I'll put the top card.
Your turn.
No, I'm gonna put it here.
Strike. Call. Ability here.
The only thing I'm going to tell you is good luck with that you're doing, trusting your
15 on
cards
Van.
and make sure that you have confidence in your deck. Oh, gee, thanks, dude. I'll answer him when I'm done.
16.
Alright. Let's see.
16 on Van. Cast Blood skill. Power here. Grand Tiger skill. Stand. Power.
You said 16?
17.
16.
Vanguard.
No, wait, that's...
17. Yep. Guard. Twin guard. First check. Second. Alright. Now.
Cast Blood. So 31. Van.
16.
No guard.
21. Band.
First,
I'll take it.
second,
And go for it. Stand and draw. Come. Renew.
What, you don't have a grade 3?
No.
Why didn't you use the G assist?
I didn't think about it. Just like, hey, nope, forgot about it.
34 advantage.
what the hell?
Steamfire. Zimbar. To the rear guard. Supported by Zimbar. When attacks the rear guard. Or.
Again.
Yep.
Guys, I'm gonna draw 4 cards. Your turn.
Alright. Supported by Drain. Zimbar attacks the van. 15.
I will take that.
Alright. Draft trigger.
When the break is online.
Alright. Here you go.
Let's see. Oh, you can use it.
Legion.
Okay, cool. Alright, cool. Alright, so break ride. So 21. Choose me because it doesn't say it has to be face up or face down. Choose a card from your damage zone, put it into your hand, put the top card. Okay, cool. So I could choose yeah, I think I'll go with that one. Where's face down, correct? No, it just says put it in the top. Okay, oh, sweet. How about that? Doesn't say it have to be put face down or face up. Actually, since I got a Prophecy Soul, she's also at 13.
Alright.
So she's at 23.
Alright.
I really can't use her ability fully because I only have one copy of her. Yeah, I can use the second one.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna ask a quick question. It says here, if you rode, does that mean if I ride him instead? Or what does it mean if I rode?
I think that means if he was on the field and you rode. I'm not sure. I've never played against rebels.
15. Bam.
I'm gonna call him.
15.
I'm gonna put him in the soul.
Sure.
There's your grade 3.
For
Let's see. So she's at
and then using the skill.
1, 3. $27. Bam.
Not going through.
First. Second. Ooh. All effects. So, let's see. She's at 15. Creds. 21. $26 to the van.
26.
Yes.
She's going to attack your rear.
Guard and intercept.
Boost by Odysseus. And attacks the Vanguard for 18.
Go for it. Oh yeah, this comes back in my hand.
And you draw.
Then
Alright.
21 to Vanguard.
Supported by Drain. Chrono Jet tracks the Vanguard. For 60.
16.
That's 21. So 21, 31, 36.
Yeah, she's still at 13, no?
Twin drive the
I
first.
believe so.
Heal. Power.
Yeah.
Heal 1.
13.
Second.
Alright.
Oh.
First check.
Hold on.
Second check.
Now I'm going to.
Crit.
Now.
Effects.
Limit break.
13.
No.
Counter blast 2. Discard one of him. I stand up 2 guards. Using her skill.
Your turn.
Well, I can also stand up another one. So. With this. So. So let's see here. That was. So she's at 14, 18, 21 to your Vanguard. And I draw a card. Then another 18 to your Vanguard.
Hey, Mike, the big G.I. Joes, do you know where they're at? They've sold? Okay.
Your turn.
Alright. Thank you.
This one.
They got sold.
Oh, so I got to
Alright.
her.
Alright, thanks.
The only reason why I retired this one is because I only got 3 left. Or 2 left in the soul.
And reverse skill plus 4 to these two.
Okay.
When they attack, if they're at 20, you can only use zeros to guard.
Wait, what?
When they attack, even when they're if
19.
they're boosted,
Damn.
if they're attacking for 20 or
Guard.
more, you can only guard with zeros.
Okay.
16.
31.
No guard.
Correct.
17.
No guard.
First. Second.
The
Stand
first.
trigger.
No trigger.
Effect.
And the second.
Damage.
16.
Okay. You win.